That Latino music means something's going on.
There's a lot going on.
So,
we're tearing into the house.
Yeah.
There's no more brick on some of the house. Like, check it out.
Yeah. So what we're doing is we're tearing this off 28 feet down because it gets a master bathroom here, master bedroom there. So, or master bedroom and bath here. So we got to tear this back to get back to the framing so we can start over and dig out here and dig our footing. Get ready to roll.
I feel like we're making progress.
Making progress. Finally
After like zero progress for probably.
That's because of Metro. They had to redo the permit because I added the. It's on me because I added the bath. So.
Okay. All right. Way to take responsibility.
That's right. What did you say?
I said this can't be that hard.
Don't let that come back and hit you in the eye.
I feel like the window's gonna fall out.
It might. That's occupational hazard.
All right.
There's one.
Break down. Oh my God. Wait. What's happening?
So we had the insulation taken out of here. You can have it sucked out by just same way they blow it in. So they took all the old stuff out because in order to vault it, it was going to cause too many problems to try and work around it. So I had it taken out of here, and since we did that, why not be a grizzly and take the rest of the drywall down to the ceiling so it's easier to work on. So it's laying on the floor, at least some of it.
That's a big old mess.
Yeah.
Okay.
So.
Let's ask the peanut gallery at home. Do you really do a formal dining room or a dining room table? I mean, where would you put that if you did that here? Because I'm thinking the size of the house is going to constitute keeping that open space where people can congregate. The kitchen is like the heart of the house where everybody likes to be for gatherings anyway. Is it necessary to have a big table in the middle of it, or is it just great to have a big island gathering center, you know, with maybe a sub table?
So my thoughts are, since we're taking this out and it opens all this up, the cabinets are off the wall about 2 feet, so they don't take up that much over there, but you got a fridge and all that stuff. I think a smaller island here and leaving this kind of for flex here, so you can put a table if you wanted to, but it'll be open here to this wet bar over here, which gives you more storage below it. It's kind of cool in the corner over there, and it helps me with my weight loading here.
But do you know what I love about this is that when you open everything up, you have so much possibility. So I really love kind of just thinking it through. I think it's kind of weird, but it's going to be a wide open room. You were just saying,
right?
I mean, that wall's gone. I love it. I love it.
Have a direction, and kind of when you get it opened up, you get a better idea of it.
And even if you have a small house, I think I said that on one of the things when we were looking at Adri's property, like there are certain elements that go into a house when you build, when you remodel, that can make the house really significantly beefier, if you will, without having to add a bunch of interior stuff. Okay? The structure of it can really stand on its own if you really think it through and put your layout together really well. So once it's wide open, we will have another conversation.
Right.
This weather, it's cloudy and the sun is trying to come out, but the clouds and being so cold is just not my jam.
Hey, what month is it?
It's December, but still, we are technically in the South, right?
I
mean, it should be warmer than 40 degrees, and actually it's 35 today.
It's not.
Hey.
This is typical for Tennessee and this time of year.
Why are we not living in Florida?
I'm not moving to Florida. Having a place in Florida is one thing, but living there permanently. Doing, Grandma?
Trying to get warm.
Yeah. You know, smoke follows whoever's sitting down.
I know.
Yeah, there we go. Yeah, right in the face. Nice. There we go. You know what else? There's no way to get that smoke smell out. That's there for days.
I can drive the tractor.
Yes. You can't touch anything else. No more controls. You just back it up, drive around there. You don't run over the Latinos or me.
I'm not gonna run over anybody. I've driven the tractor before, especially in this project. I know exactly what I'm doing.
Yeah.
You don't have any faith in me.
No, I don't want somebody to get killed out here. That would not be a good thing.
No one's gonna
I thought
get
I would
killed.
limit your time on the tractor, which is pretty small. I mean, you know what you think about that. I don't have experience. There's your little chip roll at sea. Maybe he'll go, Okay.
Look, they all moved out of the way.
Yeah, they all moved out of the way. You better believe it. So the back pedal is down there, that one. Don't back over everything. Good. God.
I'm good at this.
Okay. We'll go with that.
Moving too slow.
No, that's perfect. That's the perfect speed.
Are you enjoying the music?
I'm thinking about how this is going to lay out. You got to build it. You have to build it in your head before you ever turn the first bolt, because if you don't, then you cost yourself money. I said you have to build it in your head.
You're getting
because
really
if you
close to the
don't,
camera.
it costs you a lot of money. But when you gave me the speak up sign,
It's so weird.
that's what they were doing on the song.
You're so weird.
The electrical, running over the electrical would be bad. That would be bad.
I can't hear you. Cat is fitting in the fridge. Come on. It's a tiny box. It may make you feel claustrophobic. Come on. You can do it. Squeeze. Squeeze.
Not comfortable. Not comfortable. You can see how I'm standing.
I can't hear you. What?
There you go. Now lift it. There you go. There we go. Very good. Now back up. And then roll it. Pull in on the lever. There you go. Now let Luis have it.
I can fit in the fridge. I'm a little person.
Okay.
Yeah. Easy. I feel like it's a magic trick. You know where the magician would put the lady in the box
Right.
and chop her up?
Yeah. You want to get? I can go get a saw.
Wait. You're not going to get no.
You fit in there easy. This is like a
like-
coffin for you or something.
It's in a coffin? That's
It's
horrible.
like it.
I mean, is this what it feels like to be buried alive? Oh my God, I'm claustrophobic. Oh my God. Have you ever walked on hot coals before?
Have I ever walked on hot coals?
Yes.
No.
I think one of these times we come down here, we take some of those hot coals and we try it. I dare you to.
Are you insane?
No. Have you ever seen that? Like, people do that.
Yeah,
That's
I'm not
that's a
that.
thing.
That's not our society, and that's definitely not me.
I have never known you to shy away from, I've never known you to shy away from a challenge. And I think
That
would
one I'm
be-
going to shy away from.
Oh, come on. I would do it.
Okay. All right, we'll film that.
I would also skydive. Would you
I've
skydive?
already skydived.
Would you skydive again at your age?
Yeah, sure.
So why wouldn't you
No,
walk on
maybe.
hot coals?
Why would I? Is the other question there.
It makes you feel alive.
No, it makes you feel burned.